Hello again. It's Pronounced Like a Pro with Mary Precious on Bookworth TV. This time, we shall be examining the pronunciation of AD in regular verbs. But before we commence, I would like to appreciate you, my amazing subscribers and viewers, for always visiting our channel. And if you're new to this channel, kindly click on the subscribe button to join this awesome community. Let's get started. What are regular verbs? Regular verbs are verbs that add ed to the past and past participle forms. Few examples are wanted, laughed, flowed. Again, wanted, laughed, flowed. Did you notice that every ed sounded differently? Yes, that is because there are three different ways that AD is pronounced. Let us analyze them further. The first is id. That is when ed follows a verb that ends in letter d or t. See these examples. Wanted, looted, loaded, flooded. Again, wanted, not wanted. Looted, not looted. Loaded, not loaded. Flooded, not flooded. The second sound is t. This happens when ed accompanies any of the following voiceless consonant sounds: p, f, k, s, sh, and ch. Again, p, f, k, s, sh, and ch. See the illustrations in the next slides. Ed after p sounds t, as you can see in these words: stopped, stepped, ripped, wrapped. Again, stopped, stepped, ripped, wrapped. On this slide, we have verbs that end in f. If you add ed to the last sound, that ed becomes t. Let's say these words aloud: sniffed, stuffed, coughed, laughed. Again, sniffed, stuffed, coughed, laughed. Can you think of more examples? This is another example of ed having t. When ed comes after verb that ends in k, then that ed is pronounced as t. Can we say these words together? Asked, tracked, hacked, kicked. Again, asked, trapped, hacked, kicked. Wonderful. Let's continue. Here we have regular verbs that end in s. Another voiceless consonant. If we add ed to each one, it will sound t. Let's not pronounce these words with ed. Kissed, missed, fist, pissed. Again, kissed, missed, fist, pissed. Excellent. Can you tell the sound of this symbol in two slant lines? It is shh. It is what? Shh. If a verb ends in sh and you add ed to it, the ed becomes t. Check out these words. Pushed, rushed, cashed, washed. Again, pushed, rushed, cashed, washed. Very good. The last of the voiceless consonants in this lesson is ch, often found in letters ch. When it adds ad like other voiceless consonants, the ad becomes t. For example, touched, watched, matched, searched. Again, touched, watched, matched, searched. Very good. The final sound of ed in regular verbs is d. It is found anywhere ed follows a voiced consonant or a vowel. See the examples below. Steamed, build, dubbed, died. Again, steamed, build, dubbed, died. Thumbs up. Recap. Let's go through all we've done today. We learned that AD in regular verbs has three different sounds. The first, id, second, t, and third, d. The id is when AD is following letter T or D, while the t happens when AD accompanies any voiceless consonants. The third one, d, is when AD is following voiced consonants or vowels. The next is the activity slide. Activity. Distribute these words under the appropriate columns. T, d, id. These are the answers to the activity. Sacked, mocked, rocked. Then under T, we have cried, mopped, circled. Under id, we have listed, bonded, rested. Congratulations if you did it correctly. Thanks for viewing. Keep practicing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.